Greetings to my civil society sisters and brothers on the occasion of the 10th anniversary of UN Women. UN Women's partnership with civil society in the last 10 years is that of a successful marriage. You need to fall in love several times, always with the same person. We have kept faith with each other the first 10 years, and I'm sure you're raring to take it to the next ever more fruitful decade with enhanced scale and impact. The women's movement has been midwife to UN Women's creation. We owe our existence to you, and we derive moral and spiritual sustenance from you. We know that you too are reinforced by our propulsion to achieve empowerment results for all women and girls' human rights. You keep us on the narrow and straight path and remind us constantly of our mission and its purpose and hold us accountable and egg us on in turn to hold governments, private sector, and the rest of the UN BWIs to account in prioritizing the gender equality mission. As someone who worked closely with you for over 7 years in UN Women, I would like to share the credit with you of our signal achievements in 5 critical areas. First, I remember cogitating and agitating together with you closely to push the frontiers of global intergovernmental norms and standards, both in what I call the core motherboard areas of gender equality and women's empowerment, and in making them central to the UN projects of peace and security, sustainable development and climate change action, human rights and humanitarian action. Whilst we used persuasion, you complemented that with speaking truth to power from the ground zero of lived realities, and it worked wonders. Outcomes in CSW, Agenda 2030 SDG 5, Women, Peace and Security and UN Security Council resolutions, Rio +20, Paris Climate Change Agreement, Beijing +20 reviews, financing for development, all these are witness to our success. We enabled you to convene governments and for governments to convene you on the same platforms to dialogue and influence norm setting and policy making and their implementation at all levels, global, regional, national, and including, very importantly, at the local grassroots levels in cities and villages where the rubber of policy hits the ground and transformative change actually happens. Without you, we would not have been as successful in forging a powerful gender equality compact among all stakeholders, government and private sector, with academia and social activists. You, in your wonderful diversity of identities, location, and experiences, have been a fount of knowledge and wisdom, so necessary for our role as a global knowledge hub and best policies and practices center of excellence on gender equality and women's empowerment. You have been allies in people's movement building for Planet 50/50, provoking outrage against gender injustice in changing patriarchal, harmful, and disempowering social, cultural, and religious anti-women's rights belief systems. Finally, as in a marriage, we, UN Women, and you, civil society, have tried to transform each other in our own light. You have made us more radical and hungry for impact, more sensitive to intersectionality. We have built partnerships with the more marginalized groups of women and girls, the disability groups, indigenous peoples, migrants and refugees, rural and grassroots communities, so no one is left behind. We have made you more intergenerational and strategically engaging with youth power and men and boys to add to our woman power. In these times of COVID-induced multidimensional crisis, a creative destruction moment truly that it is, UN Women and civil society need to work ever more decisively and innovatively together to further the cause of a gender equal and just new world. in solidarity. Let your mission, together with UN Women, be to ensure that SDG 5 is at the heart of recovery, rebuilding, and reinvention of the post-COVID world in every way. Thank you.